Few announcements, the first one being the NCF training that I mentioned, which is confirmed for the 11th to the 13th of March for all our ECD officials that are here. We are kindly requesting districts to confirm attendance in terms of who will be attending, because in most cases we'll assume that everybody, only to find that there are apologies, so they will assist in finalizing the list. We are also currently submitting RTLs. They know what are RTLs, databases of learners, and it's due tomorrow. The last day is tomorrow, Friday the 27th. If you could assist with that. Made the request that we need our CESs and both curriculum and teacher development to join us when we are done. Colleagues, in terms of just a brief summary, we gathered here from the first day till today to participate on what we have called a training of the trainers, where we had to just take a quick reflection of what we've done through our Scale 1 and then link it together with Scale 2 as we are finalizing the program in 2026, right? It has been a wonderful session, though I was not a part of the full session 100% so, but the engagements that I observed where colleagues were sharing their experiences, sharing good practices from their respective districts, but also the challenges, because the challenges will then assist us to learn as we proceed with the program, to learn from our mistakes or the challenges, and then strategize in terms of how then do we overcome those. Again, so that as you go out, you are confident of what you are expected to do. I've been observing colleagues from the team taking you through the processes like the online registration process, so that as you will be working with practitioners and our teachers, assisting them to register, but yourself, you know how to work with the system, how to register, so that you don't struggle when you are on the field. But what I also liked that we did here was where we were clarifying the roles and the responsibilities of each and every one of you. And I want to believe that as you are seated here, you know exactly what would be expected from you as a team member, isn't it? You understand, you know your role, isn't it? But as we will be supporting schools and centers, it is also important that we also understand the role of our school leaders, the role of our ECD center principals. We rely a lot on them to support us in ensuring that the practitioners and the teachers that we want them to participate on these programs are released and are allowed to do so. Because if the management is not providing that support, these colleagues might miss out on such wonderful programs. So hence I'm saying we'll rely on the strong leadership from schools.